Well, this is a new product that we just got today. This is the Aukey LED desk lamp, and we saw this online. We thought it looked like a really cool looking gadget, so we wanted to give it a try. So let's take this out of the box, take a look at it. Very nicely packaged. And this is the light itself, all in a nice little package here. And also we have a instruction or user manual written in English and a few other languages. We have a little Aukey 24-month product warranty card here. So this has a warranty of 2 years. That's pretty good. Usually you're lucky to get 1 year. And anyway, and down in this other part of the box, we have a USB to micro USB charging cord. And this is a wall hanger. Has a 3M self-sticking pad on the back, so you can hang it up on a wall or a headboard on the bed, whatever. And we'll show how that works there in a minute. All right, so let's take a closer look at this. This is the desk lamp, all folded up nicely. Very sleek and kind of elegant. Now this is all aluminum construction. This part here, which holds all the electronics, this part here, this opaque screen over the LEDs, is probably plastic, but I think pretty much everything else here is all aluminum. And I'm not sure, but I believe there may be as many as 20 LEDs in here. But the instructions never really tell you exactly how many. But this is nice and compact, folds up nicely, doesn't take up a whole lot of room, it's not bulky, can easily slip into your luggage, your carry-on, whatever. But that's a nice feature. Now, this thing has, on all of the key points here, this allows you to move each one of these in a 360-degree rotation around here. And again down here, these all fold, and they're not real loose, but they're not really tight. There's just appears to be just enough tension to kind of keep it there without it slipping down on you. And again, all these major joints, they all move basically in a 360-degree configuration. And if you wanted to, say, use this by your bed or something on the wall, that's where this little bracket comes in. This slips right onto, this slips right onto here and holds the bracket against the wall or maybe your headboard or something like that. And then you can fold this around to whatever kind of configuration you want. But that's this little bracket. Now, this has so many different varieties of configurations that you could use this in. It sits very nicely, like as a desk lamp. This would be great for like a lamp for your laptop on your desk or table, a reading lamp, just a whole lot of different configurations that you can do on this. It's almost limitless, and you can even fold it up in something like this, and you have your light source coming from over here. Now, over here, this is where you can plug in your, right there, you plug in your micro USB from the included cable, charging cable. And you, on the top part here, you have your switch. There's two different lighting modes with this lamp. This is full, and we'll show this a little bit more detail later. And a second press will get you, I'm guessing, about 30 to 35% full brightness, but it's not, I don't think it's 50%. The third press of the button will turn it off. So now let's see if I can demonstrate just how much light this lamp puts out. Okay, we've turned down a lot of the lights, so we're going to turn it on to full power. And as you can see, that's pretty bright under here. And now we're going to turn it down to the next button, which is, I would say, roughly a third brightness. And that's that. And then finally, it's off. Now let's put the LEDs here. Now we're going to turn it on to full brightness here. That's full brightness. That's about roughly, I think, a third brightness, and then again, finally off. And then when you're all done, this whole unit just simply folds up very simply, very easily into the nice compact shape that you get when it's all folded up to travel with you or to put it away. Now, I believe you can get on a full charge, you can get maybe 3 to 3.5 hours of light. And we're going to test that. So we're going to leave this thing on and let it pretty much run down to like 0. And then we're going to recharge it, and we're going to use a timer for that. So we'll be able to tell just how long it might take to recharge this from a pretty much totally used light. And then once it's fully charged, again, we're going to use a timer to turn it on full brightness and see just how much light you can actually get out of it. So we'll wait for this to go down, and then we'll charge it up. All right, we have run our Aukey Desk Lamp down to practically 0. So we're going to recharge it and then just see how long it takes to fully charge the desk lamp battery. It's supposed to be 1,000 milliamp hour battery, I do believe. And so we're going to plug this in and see how long it takes to fully recharge it. So we have it charged in, and once you have it plugged in to charge, hopefully you'll be able to see a, I'm going to shade this a little bit. There's a little red glow right here, which indicates it's charging. So we have our timer here, so now we're going to time this to see just how long it does take to recharge from near 0. Okay, our light is off, so that should indicate it's fully charged. So it took a little over 2.5 hours to recharge the Aukey desk lamp to a full charge. And we're going to go ahead and see just how much power and how long the unit will provide. Okay, we're going to see how long a fully charged Aukey desk lamp will illuminate for. So we're going to start our timer now, and we'll see how long it'll last. And we're at full brightness now, so this will be how long the batteries last using the full brightness. Okay, so it's been 4 hours and 47 minutes. The light's still going. We're still on bright, but it's diminished by, I would say, at least 50%. So I would say at least 4, maybe 4.5 hours would be the amount of light on high output for the Aukey Desk Lamp here. That's pretty darn good. Another little over 2.5 hours, it'll be fully charged again. Well, that's a look at the Aukey LED desk lamp. I really like this little lamp. It folds down very nice and flat, and so it's easy to take along for traveling. Doesn't take up much room. I like the nearly all metal construction. The only plastic on the lamp is the little opaque screen for the light from the LEDs to come through. So that's great. It's all good aluminum construction, and that should last a long time. It has a lot of different positions that you can put it in. This would make a great little reading lamp, especially if you're traveling. A lamp for your laptop, or at home, a nice little table lamp next to the bed, so you can do some reading there too. And it's very, very bright. And even on the highest setting, I was getting about 4.5 hours of continuous light output, good usable light output on the high setting. It only took about 2.5 hours for it to completely recharge again. So if you're traveling, that's a great thing to have because you don't have to carry an extra set of batteries around. That's a great feature. It comes with the USB recharging cord, so you could probably plug it into your laptop or take a little power brick along with you to completely recharge this unit. But and the fact that it comes with a 2-year warranty, that's really great too. The price point on Amazon was $25, so I think that's a very good price for this very usable lamp. So anyway, I'm glad I bought it, and I see many years of usefulness with this lamp. Thanks for watching.